Go ahead and break off what you need. Allow it because it's the last time that you'll sink your teeth. And you could come back once more now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna share with you a pre-summer, it's actually summer now, but it's very early in the summer, and I want to get into my skincare, my body care routine. Yes, so I'm gonna share with you everything that I do, from like shaving my legs, my underarm pit, and just the body care in general, what I actually do, which is pretty simple. Okay, nothing difficult. So first I get my legs wet, then I apply conditioner. That's what I always use to shave my legs. So I just want you to basically watch everything. I'll attach music so you can enjoy, and also I will attach some like subtitles in English so you can read while you're enjoying. And I'm gonna shut up for now, and then I'll have an speaking portion of the video, but you'll see that later on. Okay. Okay guys, so this is us. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to shave the underarm. So what I usually do is to use this razor. So basically just going with some conditioner, this one, the product under my armpits, both of them, and this is just conditioner, and then we just shave it like that. Yeah, and I like shaved it a couple days ago. That's the reason why I don't really have to shave much. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is to take the mask. I'm gonna take some like so. Take a good amount. So I'm gonna take some under the armpit, the chest area, and then I'm just going to use my hand now to massage the product in. Especially under my arm. And I take it all over the body. All over. Okay guys, so this is the face. I haven't really washed it yet, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some toothpaste. Gonna add, this is what I usually use. Okay guys, so I have the last bit of this. This is very strong. Like the Listerine is so strong. I actually got the, what do you call it again now? The not so strong version. This one is the not so strong version. So it's similar to the original, but it's not, it doesn't have alcohol, I should say. And then this is gentler version. Alrighty, so we're good. The next thing I'm going to do is to go in with my cotton pads, and I am going to be adding my rice toner from I'm From. Okay guys, so I don't know if you could see, but I applied my pimple patch. This one, this is from Mediheal. Yeah, I just applied one, but apparently the clip wasn't shown. I didn't record. So these are the patches. Yeah, nothing special, nothing unique. These are the patches, so they're pretty clear, as you can tell. You can hardly see the pimple. Yes. Any questions or concerns you have, Japanese answers, Japan answers all. This one is actually from Korea. But this is us. We're gonna do the next portion of the video. I'm gonna try my best to keep it nice and short and sweet. Going with this body oil, and I'm just going to take it shoulders. And I love body oils because they have like nice fragrance. Yeah, and it smells good. I'm just gonna rub that my neck. A little bit of lotion too. Here. And that is pretty much it. I don't do anything much. I just lotion my skin and add some oil, body oil, and that's it. That's pretty much my body care routine, and it smells so good right now. Like, this is just massage oil, guys. I like taking massage oil on my skin, and I have like different scents. Yeah, I'm just taking some on my legs too. See, this is almost finished. My legs are like so hydrated. Tell me what you think. I'm gonna put on some clothes now and go about my peanut porridge business. So I'll see you in a few. I'm gonna put on some clothes now.